Good morning students. I am again present in front of you my YouTube channel Engineering Mathematics with competitive exam PGT and UP CBSE and ICSE boards. I taught my previous video how to solve the second type PI of partial differential equations and complete solution of partial differential equation. We are going to teach in this video third type of partial differential equations PI. How to find the type third of the partial differential equation of PI? We are going to start in this video. So, if you new viewer my YouTube channel, I am again request you please subscribe to my channels, likes and shares. Let's start in this video. If you not see my previous video, I am request you are see my previous video, after then you see this video to understand better. So let's start in this video. Type third partial differential equation PI. Type third. It means RHS. If the RHS of partial differential equation in the form of phi ax plus by in the form of polynomials. This form is the represent in polynomial when you are see the RHS of the partial differential equation in the form of this. We apply the method of this to find the PI. Let's start and understand betterly. So, we are going to start this method. You are understand better by the examples. Question number first. Solve the partial differential equations del 2z del x2 plus 3 del 2z del x del y plus 2 del 2z del y2 equal to x plus of y. CF is the previous method. First we write this partial differential equation in operator form. In operator form, it means d square plus 3d and d dash plus 2 d dash square in z equal to x plus of y. After then you find the auxiliary equation putting d equal to m and d dash equal to 1, then auxiliary equations m square plus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. You factorize of this equation. M square plus 2m plus m plus 2 equal to 0. M plus 2 plus 1 or m plus 2 equal to 0. So m plus 1 and m plus 2 equal to 0. You get the value of m equal to minus 1 and minus 2. Write the CF. CF equal to f1 y minus x plus f2 y minus of 2x. This is the CF of this partial differential equation. After then you will find the PI. P of I, particular integral x plus y, then d square plus 3d and d dash and 2d dash square. This is the form of the polynomial x plus y. So x plus y solve by this method. We are taking the partial differential equation of the order. You are first we check this equation order. It means d square plus 3dd dash plus 2d dash square. It means the second order partial differential equation. This is the second order partial differential equation. Then you are 1 upon it means coefficient of x and coefficient of y in place of coefficient of x in place of d and coefficient of y in place of d dash. You write here 1 square plus 3, 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1 square. After then, this is the second order partial differential equation. You take the double integration. You take the double integration and putting the value of x plus y u du and du. Now we write x plus y equal to u. Take x plus y equal to u. First we check you are the differential equations order. Then second order partial differential equation, you are the double integration, and third order partial differential equation, you are taking the triple integrations. And polynomial let in any other variable u. So double integration of u, du and du. Double integration signs. After then you solve value of this 1 upon 1 plus 3 plus 2. Integrate of this function with respect to u, then u square by 2 and du. And 1 upon 136 and again integrating of this q or divide by 6. After then u q upon 36. Then putting the value of u x plus I. X plus y का whole cube upon 30 of 6. This is the pi of the partial differential equation x plus y की whole power 336. You see that first again repeat this method. Can you check the what is the differential equations order and second order partial differential equation? You take the double integration of this and let this function any other variable u. So putting the value in place of this in u and double integration du and du. Then solve this denominator. You find the value of this. After then first we integrate with respect to u square by 2. After then again integrate of this u with respect to u, the u cube by 6. The value of this after putting the value of u in x plus y in place of u. So this is the pi of the partial differential equation. Then z equal to complete solution cf plus of pi. Cf f1 y minus x plus f2 y minus का 2x plus x plus y to the power whole cube divided by 36. So understand of this method. Please make a note. And second question, you see that d square, second question d square 2 d and d dash minus 8 d dash square z equal to 2x plus 3y in root. 2x plus 3y in root. This is the very important method of this form of this. 2x plus 3y in root या log x plus 2y in root y plus x in under root. Most important of these types of the form. Again d equal to m and d dash equal to 1, then auxiliary equation m square plus 2m minus 8 equal to of 0. You factorize of this form. M square plus 4m minus 2m minus 8 equal to 0. M plus 2 and m minus 2 equal to 0. M plus 4 and m minus 2 equal to 0. तो m इक्वल टू 2 and minus 4. Then CF equal to F1 y plus 2x or plus F2 y minus of 4. You are better understand the CF of the partial differential equation. Very simple. Not any other method to find the CF of the partial differential equation. Only single method. You are seeing the overall questions. CF of the partial differential equation in the method of this. After then you will find the PI. PI equal to 2x plus 3y in root divide by operator form d square plus 2d and d dash minus 8d dash square. Again here you are seeing that this is the form of the polynomial but power of the 1 by 2. Let 2x plus 3y equal to u and 1 upon putting the value of x coefficient in place of d and y coefficient in d dash. So x coefficient is 2 and y coefficient is 3. Putting of d place 4 minus का plus 2 into 2 into 3 minus 8 into square of 3 this. And this is the second order partial differential equation. This is the second order partial differential equation. So you take the double integration of this u du and du. This is the second order partial differential equation. You take the double integration u du and du. Value of this in this u in this, it means power 1 by 2. Sort out this problem. A 4 3 2 जा 6 6 2 जा 12 minus 3 3 जा 9 और आपका 70 of 2. After then integrate of this function with respect to u की power 3 by 2 or divide by 3 by 2 and du. So value of this 1 upon 16 minus 72. Integrate again of this function u to the power 5 by 2 upon 3 by 2 into 5 by of 2. Imply that 72 minus of this value of this 4 upon 15 into ये 12 में 6 आपका 6 and ये आपका 6 में से 1 5 and minus और value of u to the power 5 by of 2. Putting the value of u 4 1 जा 4 4 जा 16 imply that 2x plus 3y की whole power 5 by 2 and multiply of this 0 और आपका 2 1 0. This is the PI of the partial differential equation. You write the year of this. Then Z equal to CF plus of PI. CF F1 by plus 2x plus F2 y minus 4x plus of 1 upon 210 2x plus 3y of power of 5 by of 2. Understand all the student better. Here only you are focus PI. CF is always you are known. So PI in the form of this. So check first the order of the partial differential equation. Second order you take the second integration and more than order you are taking the more than integrations. Please make a note. And question number third. 4d square minus 4d and d dash plus d dash square in z equal to 16 log x plus 2y. This method is most important in the form of this log, under root, etc. So Pi, sorry Ci, d equal to m and d dash equal to 1, then auxiliary equation. D dash equal to 1, 4m square minus का 4m और plus of 1 equal to 0. It means factorize of this 4m square minus का 2m minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. So 2m minus 1 and 2m minus 1 equal to 0. Then m equal to 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Then Cf equal to F1. This is the repeated root. You have known the previous video. Okay, how to write when you got the repeated root. So F1 y plus 1 by 2 of x plus x multiply of x in second term F2 y plus 1 by 2 of x. You get the Pi. Pi 16 log x plus 2y upon 4d square minus का 4d and d dash plus d dash square. Here you are taking the value of this. Now let x plus 2y equal to u. You are seeing that this is the second order partial differential equation. So you are taking the second 16 upon a coefficient of x in place of d and coefficient of y in place of d dash. So 4 into 1 square minus 4 into 1 into 2 plus of 2 square double integration of log of u du and du. You sort out this problem. 4 2 is 8, 4 it means 0, double integration of log u du and du. So rules is failed. Denominator should not equal to 0. Denominator should not equal to 0. Here you are seeing that the denominator is 0, so rules is failed. After then you are differentiating of this function with respect to d and multiply of numerator x and eliminate of the one integration sign. You are here 3 steps of this method. First, if denominator will be 0, then you are differentiate of this function with respect to d and multiply of denominator by x and eliminate the one integration sign. So 16 into x upon differentiate of this function with respect to d, 8 of d minus 4 of d dash. Here eliminate the one integration sign, log of u and d. Again repeat this process. 16x divided by coefficient of value of the means x1. So 8 into 1 minus 4 into 2 or integration of log of u and du. Again this will be 0, 16x upon 0 integration of log u and du. Again failed. Again failed. After then you are repeat the above process. Differentiate of this function with respect to d and multiply of x in numerator, and after that eliminating of next integration sign. So 16x square multiply by x and x square and differentiate of this function with respect to d. 8 only minus 0 or remove the integration sign, log of u. After that 8 to the 16, 2x square log of u, value of u, x plus 2y. Value of u, 2x square log x plus 2y. This is the right Pi of this partial differential equation. This is the right Pi of the partial differential equation. Again you are right. The complete solution of the partial differential equation Cf plus Pi. You have got the Cf in this and the Pi of this. You are repeat this process again. If you are check first be the partial differential equation order is the second order, you are take the double integration sign and take the value of this in u. Let this value log u, du and du. Putting the value of x coefficient in place of d and y coefficient in place of d dash square. So you are sort out this problem. The denominator should be 0. So rule is failed. You are again repeat in matter of this, in differentiate of this function with respect to d and multiply of x in numerator, after then removing the only one integration signs. So here step of this 16x, differentiate of this, removing the first derivative sign. After then again putting the coefficient of x in place of this and coefficient of y in place of this. Again you are here see that again 0, so rule should again fail. Then differentiating of this function with respect to d and multiply of x and remove the again remaining sign of the integration. So you are get the value of this. This is the right PI of this partial differential equations. Please make a note. And question number last, question number 4. dq minus 4 d square and d dash plus 5 d and d dash square minus 2 d dash q and z equal to e to the power y plus 2x plus y plus x to the power 1 by 2. CF you are self find the CF of this partial differential equation. We are only discuss the PI. PI e to the power y plus 2x upon d square minus 4d square d dash plus 5d and d dash और minus का 2d dash q plus x plus y to the power 1 by 2 upon dq dq value minus 4d square and d dash plus 5 d dash square और d and d dash square और minus 2 d dash q. This is the previous method, coefficient of x in place of d and coefficient of y in place of d dash. You are coefficient of this e to the power y plus 2x, only a first and this is the second. We taking the first value of this coefficient of 2 8 minus 4 into 2 square into 1 plus 5 into 2 into 1 square minus 2 into 1 of q. E to the power y plus 2x, sort out this 8 minus 2 to the 4 or 4 4 the 16 plus 5 to the 10 and minus of 2. Value of this e to the power y plus of 2x. Value of this you are taking the value in coefficient of this 2 का q of 2 8 and 4 into d square 2 to the 4 4 4 the 16 and d dash square it means 1 5 into 2 into 1 का square 2 into 1 का cube. तो 8 4 2 to the 4 4 4 the 16 5 to the 10 minus 2 into 1 18 by plus 2x again 0. Value of the 0 then failed after you are taking the value of this multiply by x y plus 2x divide by 3d square minus का 4 it means आपका 8d and d dash plus 5d dash square. Value of the 0 x e to the power y plus 2x, putting again the value of this 3 into x coefficient is 4 minus 8 into 2 into 1 plus 5 into 1 का square. X e to the power y plus 2x upon 12 minus का 16 plus of 5. X e to the power y plus 2x, value of this 12 and 16 17 and this of 1. This is the PI of the first. This is the previous method. We are discuss only in this method, so please make a note. And we are taking the second. We are taking the second of this. Here you are seeing that this is the partial differential equation of the third order. 1 upon value of x कोफिशिएंट 1 का क्यूब 4 इंटू 1 का स्क्वायर इंटू 1 प्लस 5 इंटू 1 इंटू 1 का स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इंटू 1 का क्यूब ट्रिपल इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ वैल्यू ऑफ दिस u की पावर 1/2 du वेयर x प्लस y इक्वल टू u. Here you are seeing that when you are see the second order partial differential equation, you are take the double integration. Here the third order partial differential equation, you are taking the triple integration and let u plus v in u. So sort out this problem. 1 upon 1 minus 4 plus 5 minus of 2. Triple integration of u to the power 1/2 du and du. So value of this 5, 6 and 0, 1 upon 0, triple integration of u to the power 1/2 du and du if field. Denominator should not equal to 0, so the denominator is field 0, so field you are taking the value of again this multiply of numerator in x, differentiation of this 3d square minus का 8d and d dash plus 5d dash square and removing the first there is a single integration sign u to the power 1/2 du and du. Again putting the value of this 3 into 1 square minus 8 into 1 into 1 plus 5 into 1 square double integration e to the power 1/2 du and du. Again 8 5 3 8 again ये this 0 then आपका again field. Again rule is very denominator will be 0. So again starting of this differentiate of this x square multiply of this x square 3 to the 6 d minus का 8 d dash and removing the first single derivative u to the power 1 by integration sign and d. Again putting the value of x square upon 6 into 1 minus 8 into 1 square 1 और आपका इंटीग्रेशन और 1/2 and d. This is not equal to 0, so integrate of this function x square by minus 2 and u to the power 3/2 divided by 3/2 cancel out of this minus x square upon 3 value of this x plus y to the power 3/2. This is the pi of this and you are right. The complete solution of this partial differential equation Ci plus pi. Understand all the student, this is very simple and most important of the polynomial form in the RHS of the partial differential equation. You will find the pi. So that's all in this video. I am again request you, if you new viewer my YouTube channel, so please subscribe my channel, share your friend. My channel is free of cost, no any fees of this course. You are complete the course BTech, BSc, Polytechnic Diploma, 10th, 12th class board free of cost my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the complete video.